And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in the Oppo A1. So if you want to open the home screen, you just hold the finger on the empty place on home screen, and now we have a few options ready. The first one, wallpapers. Just open this section, choose your new wallpaper and tap on the apply. That's it. The next one, icons. If you want to change the design of your icons or choose the one of these examples, you can also choose the custom to change the shape of your icons, the foreground and icon size. You can also disable or activate the show app names and change the size of it. If you're ready, click apply. And now we have a new icon shape. Okay, the next one, widgets. Just hold the finger on it and choose the place on the home screen. Now you can hold the finger on it to change the size of it by these little edges, or just remove that. The next one, layout, to change the amount of the application and in the rows and in the columns. And the last one, transition, when you want to change the effect of the swiping through the pages on your home screen. Just click apply, click done, and now we have a new transition effect. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.